Most enterprises run two systems that never really talk. Salesforce out front, SAP in back. On their own, both are powerful. Apart, they leave gaps. The average company runs nearly 1,000 applications, and fewer than a third are connected. So orders get rekeyed by hand. A rep promises a delivery date without checking stock, and sometimes an order simply falls through the gap, with no one the wiser until a customer calls. Salesforce SAP Integration closes that gap. It builds a live bridge between CRM and ERP, so the two become a single source of truth. Customers, orders, pricing, inventory, invoices, moving both ways in real time. The rep sees credit and stock before quoting. Quote to cash that used to take a week now takes a day. But there's no single way to build that bridge. MuleSoft, SAP Integration Suite, and iPaaS like Boomi, a direct API and OData connection, or Data Cloud as the unifier. The right pattern depends on your SAP landscape, not on vendor preference. The difference between an integration that holds and one that quietly breaks isn't the tool, it's the discipline. Give every field one source of truth. Move to event-driven sync instead of batch. And build monitoring before you go live, not after the first silent drop. Do that, and integration becomes the foundation your AI runs on. Agentforce and Data Cloud read live SAP data, availability, credit, open orders, without heavy copying. And anomaly detection catches the drop before it ever reaches a customer. Two systems, one truth. Minuscule Technologies has engineered Salesforce and SAP integrations since 2014, 75 and counting, across manufacturing, BFSI, and retail. Book a free strategic call, and let's map yours.